Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This is the Viniper 8-inch portable rechargeable fan with 180 rotation and 3 different speed modes. I love that I can have it on my makeup vanity and set up my makeup whenever I'm doing it, or I can use it whenever I'm winding down, reading something, or shopping something. Maybe just folding clothes after laundry. Or sometimes I'm working and I need that extra air. I can point it to the direction I want. And who doesn't love a beautiful, rechargeable, small fan, high speed? I really love the way it looks next to my bed. It matches everything. It's just perfect. At full speed, the battery can last around 3 to 4 hours. So if you're in a hunt for a little treasure, this is it. And that's my point of view.